Som kai Manipuri actor khang
khangine khara
kai
Gokul ama Gokul nungai ba tang koi
जैसे कि राजेश खन्ना मणिपुरी सिंगर मणिपुरी एक्ट्रेस गुंगू एक्ट्रेस तुम जाए कमला वैसे तुम जाए
Thank you.
Boni, Sushmita, Gokul, Sukul, kena lagi. Dari boleh nih kuti. Mohon dah.
Mai neng check khang ya kai ba. Neng check khang ya ba.
Ayo, request dah.
Oi.
Bala khangnya, Boni khangnya. Pura. Sunita khangnya.
Oh.
Jadi khangnya.
So, do you know anything like Manipuri music video or movie?
No.
Then you know anything about Manipur? Like, just say anything about Manipur.
Yeah,
You are telling in.
It's how much yeah. I know
What is that?
Gunang Si.
Nice. And the last one. You have any Manipuri friends?
Wait one.
Like, can you tell the name? No, just like it's okay, right? Not the surname, just the name.
Basta.
Okay, thanks.
Welcome.
Manipur के कैसे आएंगे?
मणिपुर की सिनेमा दी थबाथोन 2 ले रहे हैं जा 2 ले रहे हैं चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस अदु खतंग
सिंगर दी करा पाम के
सिंगर दी थोड़ी संजम माय हार्ट पुष्पारानी दी डार्लिंग हाय तारे
या
अदु राने
Manipuri actress aru balai ase aru balai bi sunna jane aru moyo imane jane aru bala ke sini par iman na kan
sa bala ga chance unabai phangadi nang unaga
long to ni
som dong to cái no cái sei ta ke Manipuri
Manipuri ki tayo ka ke ave choi le bigumba adu malum tayo
adagi actor di ka pam play
actor di yam tina pa ma le tudun gokul chung dai
you son okay so you know any like band from Manipur like
The band we heard was Postmark.
okay
So good band name there.
okay what about you
Yeah, same here.
Sam and when like Postmark
Same.
you know the vocalist like he has died
Yeah, I heard about him a lot.
he met an accident
Yeah,
okay
very excellent.
thanks yeah good luck for your future
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
I'll just make one like
অলপ গম পাও গকুল বনি তার পিছত কাইকু বালা এইকেইটা আৰু
thank you say sakut he bro
মণিপুৰী
mati the lion to have you
সেইতে নেমিতে
say sakut he bro